Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your phone and accessory support fast pair. Turn on Bluetooth and location, and keep the phone unlocked so notifications appear. Power the accessory and hold it in pairing mode within 1 to 2 meters. Proximity matters for automatic discovery. Once the device broadcasts, you will see a fast pair notification instead of digging into Bluetooth menus. This step saves time because fast pair uses BLE advertising and account-based pairing to streamline authentication and install companion apps. When the fast pair notification appears, tap it to open the pairing card. This confirms the accessory identity and requested permissions. You should grant Bluetooth and location permissions if prompted, and accept an app install only when needed. Fast Pair performs a secure key exchange over BLE and links the accessory to your Google account for seamless repairing later. Make sure you watch for a confirmation tone or LED change on the accessory. That tells you the handshake succeeded and the connection is active. Finish by testing essential functions. Play audio, test microphone, and press any control buttons so you know everything is mapped. If pairing fails, power cycle phone and accessory and repeat the fast pair flow within a meter. Proximity and a fresh broadcast usually fix transient issues. If problems persist, do a factory reset on the accessory and clear your phone's Bluetooth cache to remove stale keys. That restores a clean state, so fast pair can re-establish secure credentials and link to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.